Good morning, student. We are here for class 10, chapter 1 and part 12. So today's your topic are web address, the address of website, which we also say URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Second topic is elements of URL, means what are the elements in the URL. Third, domain name system, naming system of domain. Protocol means the set of rules which we use in the file transfer or on the internet or mailing. And the last topic is news loop. So come on the web address. Web address is the address of website which we access. Basically, the address of website was in the starting era, it was on the IP address like 80.80.0. This is what the Google address looks. But in this era, there are millions of websites, so it is impossible for everybody to learn the millions of 4-digit number. If we easily say google.com, it is memorized by everybody. But when we say 80.80.0.0 or 1, basically it is 1. So it is difficult because every slot has 255, means 0 to 255.0 to 255.0 to 255.0 to 255. These are the numbers or range in which we define the website address. Next is element of URL. Basically, when we see the URL, it is like this: http://google.com/login.asp. This is the element, means this is the name of website, which is divided into certain parts. The first part, HTTP, is the type of server or protocol, means which type of protocol we are using in this website. HTTP means hypertext transfer protocol. Hypertext transfer protocol basically we use for the internet. The hypertext means text which is linked to other text, page, document, image, sound, whichever link we created there. The second is google.com. It is the address of server. The second one, name and address of server on the internet. Google.com is the server where these web pages are reside, means stay there or stored there. Login.asp. Login is the page, means the basic page is google.com, home page is google.com, but when we click on the login option, then it will open the google.com/login.asp. ASP is the platform through which it is created, on which it is worked. Third is location or path of the file on the server. So this is the location or path of the file on the server. The next topic is domain name system. Domain name, have you heard that google.com, amazon.co.in, ncert.nic.in? So these are the domain. .com is for commercial, co.in commercial.india, NIC National Informatics Center .India means India's National Informatics Center, which handle this. NCERT website or portal. So there are many different domain name system. Example, .org is for organization, nic.in in National Informatics Center .india, .co.in, .co.us means this is for USA. Country name written here. .uk means this is website belongs to United Kingdom. .mil is for military. .edu education. .com is for commercial. So domain name system is a name system which is used to name the domain. We use the appropriate domain for our website, or there are many of the category on in which these domains are divided. Like in education, we talk about .edu education, academy.com, your academic.in, and the next topic is protocol. Protocol is the set of rules through which we can access, send, receive file system or file, or we can access internet or mail over the internet or network. Like in this, FTP is file transfer protocol. File transfer protocol is used to send or receive the file. HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol, is for accessing the hypertext. It travels from one website to another. HTTPS, there is a difference between HTTP and HTTPS. There is S. S means secure layer, means this and this both protocol are approximate same, but HTTPS have extra secure layer for security purpose. For post office protocol, this protocol is for mail sending and receiving. News group. The last topic for today is news group. News group is a place, a community, or it is a place over the internet where the people of same community means ki same thinking, like doctors have their different news group in which they will talk or news come regarding their interest, means regarding their field. Engineers have their different news group where the news comes only regarding the engineering work. Musicians have their different news group. So basically news group is a place over the internet, or a news group is a forum like a community bulletin board. You can post a message, reply to a message, or just read a message. Means it is a bulletin board like forum where news come related to the interest, where we can message or post the news or receive the news. The news server posts it for everyone to read. The server posts the related news for everyone to read. We can reply on that. Other member of the news group can now respond to your message. Other member who will see the message will respond to your news group or the group or the message which is sent by the news server. So this is all for today. We will meet in the next section with a new chapter. So read the chapter, learn it, make a note on it, and prepare a short notebook copy which will help in revision. And within 2-3 days you will be getting a worksheet on chapter 1. Thank you.